Hello everyone and welcome back to the Workforce Workshop channel, where we explore the ever-evolving world of work, technology, and everything in between. I'm your host, Chiras Kelly, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating topic: how AI tools are helping startups predict and plan their recruitment strategies. In today's world, startups are facing a very unique set of challenges when it comes to recruitment. With limited resources and a need to scale quickly, it's crucial for these businesses to be strategic. And this is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in to revolutionize the way companies recruit talent. From finding the right candidates to streamlining the hiring process, AI is making a significant impact. But how exactly is AI transforming recruitment for startups? Let's break it down and explore the tools that are shaping the future of talent acquisition. 1. The recruitment challenges startups face. Before we dive into AI, let's take a moment to talk about the unique challenges that startups face when it comes to hiring. These businesses are often growing fast, and with that growth comes the need to make critical hiring decisions quickly and effectively. Startups generally have limited HR teams, which means hiring processes can be inefficient, costly, and time-consuming. And when every decision counts, making a wrong hire can be devastating. These businesses need to identify top talent, reduce bias in their hiring practices, and ultimately scale their teams without breaking the bank. This is where AI-driven tools can be a game changer. With predictive analytics, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to predict future hiring needs, helping companies plan their workforce in advance. Let's look at some of the most effective AI tools startups are using today. 2. The power of predictive analytics in recruitment. Predictive analytics is one of the most powerful applications of AI in recruitment. But what exactly is predictive analytics? Simply put, it uses historical data, machine learning algorithms, and statistical models to forecast future hiring trends. This allows startups to make smarter decisions about where to focus their recruitment efforts. For example, predictive analytics can help a startup forecast the number of hires needed in the upcoming months based on business growth, seasonal trends, and other factors. By analyzing past recruitment patterns, AI tools can also identify the traits of successful employees and suggest candidates who are most likely to thrive in the organization. Using predictive analytics, startups can better allocate resources, plan for growth, and make data-driven decisions about talent acquisition. This reduces the risk of overhiring or underhiring and ensures that they're building the right team for the future. 3. AI tools for screening and shortlisting candidates. One of the most time-consuming parts of the recruitment process is sorting through resumes and applications. It can take hours, sometimes days, just to sift through dozens or hundreds of candidates, only to end up with a handful who don't meet the requirements. This is where AI can save startups valuable time and effort. AI tools like resume scanners and applicant tracking systems, ATS, are changing the game by automating the initial screening process. These tools are trained to read and analyze resumes, matching candidates with job descriptions based on key skills, experience, and even soft skills. But it doesn't stop there. Some AI-powered tools can also assess personality traits, emotional intelligence, and cultural fit, providing a much more holistic view of each candidate. This ensures that startups are not just hiring people with the right qualifications, but individuals who align with the company's values and culture. By automating the initial stages of candidate screening, startups can significantly reduce the time to hire, improve the quality of their hires, and provide a better candidate experience. 4. Chatbots and virtual assistants for candidate engagement. Another exciting development in AI recruitment tools is the rise of chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered tools can engage with candidates 24/7, answering their questions, guiding them through the application process, and providing updates on the status of their applications. Not only does this improve the candidate experience by keeping them engaged, but it also takes a huge burden off of HR teams. Chatbots can handle routine questions and tasks, freeing up recruiters to focus on more strategic decisions. Interaction with a chatbot guiding a candidate through the interview process. Chatbots can even be used for pre-screening interviews, asking candidates basic questions about their experience and qualifications. The responses are then analyzed, and candidates who meet the criteria are passed along to the next stage of the hiring process. This speeds up recruitment and reduces the likelihood of losing top talent due to slow response times. 5. Bias reduction and fairness in hiring. One of the most important aspects of recruitment is ensuring fairness. We all know that unconscious bias can influence hiring decisions, often leading to less diverse teams and missed opportunities. But AI is making strides in reducing bias in the recruitment process. AI tools can be designed to ignore irrelevant factors like gender, age, or ethnicity during the recruitment process, focusing solely on a candidate's qualifications and potential. This leads to a more equitable hiring process and helps startups build diverse teams. While AI is not immune to bias, especially if it's trained on biased data, many companies are now using AI in ways that actively address these challenges, helping to create fairer and more inclusive workplaces. 6. The future of AI in recruitment. So, what does the future hold for AI in recruitment? Well, we're only scratching the surface. As AI technology continues to evolve, we'll see even more sophisticated tools that integrate seamlessly into every stage of the recruitment process. We can expect more predictive capabilities, where AI can not only predict hiring needs, but also forecast employee performance and retention. AI will continue to automate tedious tasks, allowing recruiters to spend more time on high-impact activities like building relationships and fostering a positive company culture. The ultimate goal for startups is to build teams that are not just skilled, but also aligned with a company's mission and values. AI can be the bridge that connects talent with opportunity, helping companies make smarter, more strategic hiring decisions. To sum it up, AI tools are transforming how startups approach recruitment by streamlining processes, predicting needs, reducing bias, and improving the candidate experience. While we're still in the early stages, the future of recruitment is definitely looking AI-powered. As technology continues to advance, we'll see even more groundbreaking innovations that will help businesses and job seekers find the perfect match. For startups, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Thank you so much for joining me today on Workforce Workshop. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might find it valuable. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. I'm Chiras Kelly, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep innovating and keep building your future.